If you drive a commercial vehicle here in Illinois, then here's a pro tip that might just help you save your CDL. Hi, I'm attorney Derek Martin, and our law firm fights thousands of tickets each year in the Chicagoland area. So what we're talking about today is moving violations versus non-moving violations. The definition is, well, kind of like it sounds, right? A moving violation is typically something that occurs while moving. Think of like running through a stop sign or a red light, any sort of accident, a speeding ticket. Those are all very common examples of moving violations. There are many, tons and tons of them, but generally speaking, these are the ones that go against your record if you're convicted of them. These are the ones that cost you points, right? And can cause your insurance rates to increase. These are the things you do not want on your record. That is even more important if you have a commercial driver's license. So what do, right? If you receive one of these tickets, the desired outcome is to either get it dismissed outright, which is always great, or get it amended or changed down to be go from a moving violation to a non-moving violation. So non-moving violations are things like improper parking, a cracked windshield, a loud muffler. So then how do you know if you have a moving violation or a non-moving violation? Well, sometimes it's obvious. Like I said, I just named sort of the difference between some of these. But one little pro tip is to look at the actual statute that is written on your ticket. There are many possibilities, so this is not a sure rule, but a rule of thumb is that if the statute starts with 625 ILCS, so that's 625 ILCS 5/11, then it is probably, not always, but probably a moving violation. However, if your ticket is 625 ILCS 5/12 or 13, then it is probably not a moving violation. 12 and 13 have to deal with equipment and inspections of vehicles. Those are more equipment related things, right? So non-moving. Whereas ILCS 5/11 has to do with the actual rules of the road, the things that you can or cannot do while driving. Those are the moving violations, right? So little pro tip there, you want to get, if you have a commercial driver's license especially, you want to figure out how to take care of this in a way where a moving violation does not hit your motor vehicle record. So you may want to talk to a lawyer about that. Of course, if you do have a ticket in the Chicagoland area, we'd be happy to discuss that with you. But in either case, do what you can to avoid a moving violation on your record. Hope that helps.